everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if this message shows up in Chrome. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to clear your cache. Click the three dots next to your profile, scroll and select Delete Browsing Data. For the time range, select the time when the message started showing up. I'm going to put 7 days. And here click Delete Data. If clearing cache doesn't work for you, you will have to reset Chrome settings. In Settings, select Reset Settings and then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Resetting Chrome settings will disable extensions, delete cookies, and reset some shortcuts. So here click Reset Settings. After resetting Chrome settings, you will have to restart your computer. If resetting Chrome settings doesn't work for you, scan your system for viruses. In the search bar, type virus and here select Virus and Threat Protection. Here perform a quick scan. If a virus is detected, follow the steps Windows will provide to remove it. And that is how to solve the issue of Google detected automated abuse from your system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.